In this video, I'll show you how to send money domestically with Wise. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Visit wise.com and sign into your account. I will also leave a link to Wise in the description down below. Step 2. Start a new transfer. Click on Send Money or New Transfer. Step 3. Choose Domestic Transfer. Select your country as both sender and recipient, or choose the domestic currency. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Provide the recipient's bank account information or mobile number, depending on Wise's domestic options. Step 5. Enter transfer amount. Specify the amount you wish to send. Make sure to double check. Step 6. Review fees and confirm. Check transfer fees and exchange rates if applicable, then confirm the transaction. Wise is very transparent with its fees. Step 7. Complete payment and track. Complete the payment and monitor the transfer status via your Wise dashboards. And that's how you make a domestic transfer on Wise. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below and I'll be happy to help you.